Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how you can view your Snapchat messages history on your Snapchat application really easily. But before we get started with the tutorial, if you are new to our channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. So there is actually a really cool way to actually view your Snapchat message history and people whom you have messaged. Not the entire conversation, but at least the people whom you have messaged on the Snapchat. You will not be able to see the message history of what you have typed and the content in it because Snapchat itself does not allow that. So don't go over and looking for such solutions because you will not find an answer. The first thing you want to do is, first of all, simply make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you some honest and blatant answers. What you want to do is simply open your Snapchat application on your device first and make sure you have actually downloaded them from your device's app store. Once you have downloaded Snapchat application, you want to simply go ahead and open the application from right over here. As you open the Snapchat application, you can see this is how the home interface of this application looks like. Now what you want to do is simply tap on your profile button on the top left hand side, and then on the top right you can simply tap on this settings button. As you tap on settings button here, you want to simply scroll down at the bottom of the screen, and here under clear cache option you will find an option called clear conversation. So what we want to do is we want to simply go ahead and tap on clear conversation at the second option, and here you'll be able to see all of the options and people you have messaged on your Snapchat account, which is 3 hours, 4 days, and all of the people whom you have simply messaged on your Snapchat account. So these are some of the history by Snapchat itself. Though this is actually an option to clear these conversations, you can simply go ahead and look if there are any type of conversations and people whom you have chatted with. So this way you can really easily view your Snapchat message history. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.